Today we install some beautiful canards on the car. We're trying to upgrade the aerodynamics on my C8 Z06. So first we gotta do a little bit of disassembly because I actually have a few things going on today. I actually got a grill guard to protect the front coolers. I have to do a replacement on something in the rear, and then we also have the canard. So we're doing a little bit of disassembly right now so we can make that happen. But yeah, I've been really wanting to upgrade the aerodynamics on this car. Obviously I did not get the Z07 package. So since I didn't get the Z07 package, I am needing to basically, retroactively throw on some better aerodynamics on this thing so I can be able to have better aero when I go to the track and have better downforce so I can go through the corners just a little bit faster. Before I hit the road or track, I make sure that I've got the essentials: keys, phone, and this beautiful carbon fiber case from Simply Carbon Fiber. It has real carbon fiber in it. It's all woven in there. It's absolutely beautiful, super gorgeous, very, very light too, lighter than my other phone cases that I've had before. Like I said, it's light, it's sleek, it has that race car type energy and feel right in your hand. And right now they've got some nice sales on the website. If you go to the website, go to simplycarbonfiber.com, you can get a beautiful carbon fiber case just like this for your cell phone, for your iPhone. They got other cool carbon fiber items on the website as well. There's discount code, use JESS10, so just 10 if you want some percentage off of your next purchase from them. But go to simplycarbonfiber.com so you can get your amazing phone case as well. So basically what canards do is they help with the airflow up front. They help provide a little bit of extra downforce on the front of the car so the car can turn better. Now on the streets, your cars probably turn great. They feel great. But when you get on track, you start pushing the speeds and you're going 100+ miles per hour through a corner. These cars tend to push a little bit, just mainly because of the weight distribution. You have a lot of weight in the rear and not as much up front. So to help balance it, you need more weight to happen up front, but you don't want to go add extra weight just by, grabbing dumbbells or whatever and throwing it up front. You want to have that weight occur as you're going faster through the corner. So then faster you go, the more air that's pushing the car down. The more air that's pushing the car down on the front, the better grip you're going to have on those front tires. So that can ultimately help you get through the corner quicker. So to do that, you have to add canards and bigger front splitter, which I already had the bigger front splitter. Now having the canards, that's gonna help out some. Every little bit you can do to add a little bit of extra front downforce, you're gonna help that car turn in, turn through the corner, and turn out better. I have this massive front splitter right here, our Z07R splitter, which you can get on our website. If you go to Iwujiperformance.com, you can get yours. Put a little bit of guard stuff here because I scraped a little bit because I'm so low. My car is so low. You can't see it right now, but my car is ridiculously low. All right, so how does this process work with this sheet of paper here that you're carefully cutting out?
So this is just a template. So we're gonna cut it out and then stick it on the bumper. And it's gonna give me the exact, where I gotta make the holes. So the canards can go in there, and then we just gotta clip them on. That's it.
Yeah, so anybody guessing, don't guess if you're putting these on your car. But if you guess, you're gonna put this thing on and it's gonna be uneven or not fit, and you got to cut more holes and it's gonna be all bad. Next thing you know, you'll need a new bumper. Made some incisions and now we're slowly sliding this thing in there. Does it still have some more to go, or?
So on the lip, I can shave it over here, or if you don't mind having a gap, because you won't even see it, down here.
Probably shave it, because I don't want to try to have any air flowing through there, So,
yeah, like
do a little bit of shave. Yeah, do a little shave there so we can get it in there all tight and fit. Because once air starts flowing through, that's when some issues can start.
Both canards are on now on the front bumper. So pretty soon I'll get a nice little look at both of them, but it looks good so far. It went on there pretty good. I'm glad I did not have to do the cutting and incisions on the front bumper. I highly suggest if you're doing this at home that you probably don't do it at home unless you have experience doing this kind of stuff. I would suggest letting a professional do it because, man, there's a lot of ways you can mess it up, but they did it well, they did it right, and it's on. You see where the tabs go in right there. So these tabs came in, and then also he did a little special thing right here, which you don't have to do, but it would probably work well, is put a little screw right there to make sure these things like stay in really good. Oh, there's a little bug right there. Is that a bug? Oh wow, that's a pretty crazy bug. Anyways, yeah, put these little screws to help keep these things really tight in there. So these things, because you're going to experience a lot of airflow going through these, so you want to make sure that that it's everything's super tight. The canards are both on, the front bumper is on now, everything is back on, and it looks absolutely spectacular. I cannot wait to get this on track to see how it handles now with all that new help. And eventually I gotta get a wing on this thing. So if y'all got any kind of ideas of which wing I should get on this car, let me know. There's ZR1 wings out there, there's Z07 wings, all aftermarket, there's APR wings, there's all these different kind of AMT, I think. There's a bunch of different folks who make wings now for the C8 Z06. So if there's ones that you like, and I'm not looking for just a show car kind of wing, I need a wing that actually produces real downforce for the track. So functional wing that's not bending and flopping and doing all that funky stuff. Something that's mounted really good that gives this car extra downforce. I had an APR wing on my C6 Z06, one of the best modifications I ever did for road coursing. Helped get that car so much more planted and made it so much better driving on track. So if you got any suggestions, let me know in the comments on which wing I should get on my C8 Z06, because that will be the next aerodynamic part that I get for the car. I am absolutely loving these new canards here. I gotta get the car cleaned up. It's a little bit dirty. Sorry about any dust or handprints or anything. I've been traveling a bunch all over the place, different countries, different states, you name it. But yeah, it looks great. It looks great. Wish it was carbon fiber to match my beautiful carbon fiber Z07R wing. I'm sorry, splitter. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll make it work. It's all about function. Looks good. Can't wait to get some real aero in the rear. That'll be super great. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're looking to buy some of these parts, reach out to me and I can get them sold to you. It's your best friend, Jay Woo. I'm out.